In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Keep note from an email. This is a simple way to turn important messages into organized notes you can find later on any device. First, open a browser and go to gmail.com, then sign into your account. You'll want to do this on the desktop version of Gmail because the Google Keep panel we're using appears on the right side of the web interface. Once you're in, pick the email you want to save as a note. This could be a receipt, an itinerary, a project update, or anything you might want to reference quickly without digging through your inbox. With the email open, look to the right-hand side of Gmail for the side panel. You'll see icons for things like Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and Contacts. If you don't see the panel, click the small arrow at the bottom right of the window to expand it. Now click the Keep icon to open Google Keep inside Gmail. This brings up a compact Keep window so you don't have to leave your inbox. In the Keep panel, click where it says Take a Note. Gmail does some helpful work for you automatically here. It pre-fills the note's title using the email's subject, and it embeds a direct link to the email inside the note. That link is great because later on you can jump straight back to the original message with one click. Before you save, you can add any extra details you'll need, like context, action items, or a short reminder to yourself. If you use labels to organize your notes in Keep, add them now so this note is easy to find by project, client, or topic. You can also set a reminder date and time directly in the note to get a nudge when you need it. When you're done, click Close or Save in the Keep panel. Don't worry, closing saves the note automatically. From here, the note syncs across your account, so you'll find it in the Google Keep mobile app on Android or iOS, and on the web at keep.google.com. The title will match the email subject, and the email link will still be there for quick access. That's it. Open Gmail, open the email, open Keep from the side panel, create your note with the built-in subject and link, add any text, reminders, or labels you need, and close to save. This quick workflow keeps important emails front and center so you can act on them, search them, and stay organized anywhere. Thanks for watching, and try it the next time an email deserves a spot in your notes.